Hello, this is me Chandrima. Welcome to my channel. So this is actually first time I'm showing my face. Before that, you could not be able to see my face. So yes, I stay in Bangalore and I sell different kind of beautiful Benarasis. So this is the channel based on Benarasi sari, and in future hope will get more new variety. So at present today I'll show you a different Deepika Padukone style sari. So hope you'll like and book it fast because my sari most of the time gets out of stock due to because I sell in Amazon, India Mart and other places. So hope will like. And now prepaid orders I am only taking because due to COVID-19 no courier is providing cash on delivery. So hope you'll like it and your money will be safe, do not worry, and you'll get the best quality, I think so. And one thing I should tell you that I have another channel that is Chandrima's Cooking. So please go through the below link in description box below, and please if you like do not forget to subscribe both the channel, because most of the time I see you just visit my channel, you see, but don't subscribe. Please subscribe my channel, so it will help us to motivate, so you can understand that. So I'll give the my WhatsApp number also, so book it fast, you will get the delivery. And now delivery is going little delay, like in Bangalore if you are getting 1 to 2 days, now it is 3 4 5 days delay. So like that in everywhere going on, but don't worry, nothing will happen, I already said every day. So hope you'll like the sari. After receiving, please tell me whether you like it or not in my channel in comment section, so that other people also know na. So hope you like and I can provide you the best quality. Thank you. Bye. Hello all, today again I have come with new sari. I already shared the same color, means red color, in same design. Now today I am showing you this blue color. You can see how it is shining. It's too heavy, even I can't lift in one hand. So basically Benarasi, pure Benarasi are like that only. So this will be in the pallu. So I am opening the sari, and one thing please, actually I have I'll mention, I already mentioned in my comment section that I have already one cooking channel. You can search and go to the YouTube and search Chandrima's Cooking. So please go through all this and check the link below, and please go to my channel, and if you like, please do not forget to subscribe, because that is also my channel, and there you can see me. Here I am not showing my face, but I thought today I'll show who am I. So but there you can see my full introduction and all, and there I am sharing my cooking channel, means new recipes. So hope you will like. So please don't forget to subscribe that channel if you like, definitely. So now I am coming to the this sari. So this will be the body. See, I am opening. So this will be the body. You can see how beautiful it is. Full body will be like that, or this will be the border. So it's just full body will be like that. And this running blouse piece will be this blue color. Just beautiful, see how shining it is. Its price is direct price is in Amazon I am selling in different price. Here I can't tell like that. So here I am selling this price, direct price is 3200 and at present this price is only and 200 for shipping. So many person ask me why 200, because it depends upon his weight. So this is 1 kg 300 grams, and if you means which if you have any doubt, I'll don't worry, I'll send you the screenshot. So now this is the golden zari. In screen maybe it is looking like a little whitish, but not at all. It is full golden zari, and the pallu will be full heavy. You can see the pallu will be full heavy. This is the pallu basically. It's just wonderful. So you can see the shine. And one thing I should remind you that it is basically pure made from satin, and the zari is real zari. It's not lightweight at all. Its price is 3200 plus 200 for shipping, and it's too heavy sari. Its weight is 1 kg 300 grams. Basically made for marriage and all, wedding and all. So I have stock, so please ping me in my mobile number, and please now I am not providing cash on delivery due to unavailable courier, because courier is not now taking any prepaid orders. So hope you will like it. So means you will support me, hope. So now you can see this is the pure actually royal blue. Whatever is in screen showing that color only. This is pure royal blue, and it is golden zari. Gold zari is little looking like little fade, but it is golden zari. But the royal blue color is showing the original color only. This is the color only. And see, it's beautiful. Just book it fast if you want, and please like and subscribe my channel, and please go through my cooking channel also, where you can see the details of new recipe. So hope you will like, and please don't forget to subscribe, please. Thank you. And this sari is basically style of Deepika Padukone style. So you can check same sari Deepika ji or in is in some wedding. So you can check the same design. You will get only on 3200. So after receiving, I can tell you, you will be just surprised how I am giving in this low price. So just book it fast and subscribe my channel. Get the best one. So enjoy.